Okay, a bit tricky, but let's go through it. And it's easy to get confused with these problems over here. I'm write it down for you. And I'll write in terms of what I think might be more familiar to me, but I'm looking at something that I'm not quite clear what it is at this point. Arc, hyperbolic, cosecant of x. So I'm going to write this as, rewrite it as sine. I'm sorry, hyperbolic cosecant. That equals x. I'm looking at that's still not that familiar to me. Write it as the sine, hyperbolic sine of y would be 1 over x. I'm not going to rewrite it back in terms of y now. And that's going to be the arc, hyperbolic sine of 1 over x. All right, now I'm in familiar territory. So dy dx would be equal to, well, I know the derivative of the arc hyperbolic sine. It's right over here. Let's write that down. So you can get 1 over the root 1 plus the argument squared. And got that covered. Times the derivative of the inside, which is minus 1 over x squared. Now, I'd probably leave it there, but I realize that not everyone wants to leave it there. It looks pretty nasty looking. So I'm going to simplify a tiny little bit. And I'll say, certainly minus 1. I'm seeing x squared here. And then I'm seeing a root. And I'm going to get a calm down. That's x squared. And then what do you get? You get x squared plus 1. Going to keep rewriting it. This is minus 1. This would be x squared. The square root of x squared is actually the absolute value of x. And what do you get over there? You get the root x squared plus 1. One further simplification over here is going to be minus 1. And x squared over the absolute value of x is going to be equal to the absolute value of x. Let's see if we got what they got. And they got this over here. And I got the minus 1 absolute value. Yeah, we're doing good. Thank you.